The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. Heartbreak is one of the most human experiences we can face. Whether it's the end of a deep relationship and unreciprocated love, or the silent ache of losing someone who mattered, the pain is real. But here's what most people don't tell you. You can transform heartbreak into one of the most powerful chapters of your life. Today, I will show you how to use the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, the mindset of Marcus Aurelius and other great thinkers to overcome heartbreak, to regain your emotional strength, and to walk into modern dating and life with calm resilience and authentic self-mastery. Stay with me, this might just change how you see heartbreak forever. One of the foundational principles of Stoicism is this: you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. When we experience heartbreak, our first impulse is often to try to control or fix what is already gone. We replay moments in our mind. We wonder what we could have said. We fantasize about what might have been. This is natural, but it is also the path to more suffering. A Stoic accepts this truth. I do not control the actions of others. I do not control their feelings. I do not control the outcome of every relationship. But I control my response. I control my thoughts. I control the values I choose to live by moving forward. This is your first key to overcoming heartbreak. Shift your focus entirely to what is within your control. Another powerful teaching. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment. Marcus Aurelius. Stoicism does not tell us to suppress or deny emotion. It tells us to see it clearly and to choose our relationship with it. In heartbreak, you will feel pain. Sadness, longing, anger, these are natural responses. The Stoic response is to allow these emotions to pass through you without clinging to them. Feel the pain, but do not become the pain. Observe the emotion, but do not be consumed by it. This requires presence and self-awareness. Meditation, journaling, moments of stillness. By practicing this, you create space between the event and your response. And in that space lies your freedom. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. Marcus Aurelius. Now is the time to reshape the story you are telling yourself. Heartbreak often feels like a personal failure or a sign that we are unworthy of love. But this is not truth, this is narrative. As a Stoic, you have the power to reframe. Instead of, I lost something valuable, say, I experienced something valuable and I am stronger for it. Instead of, they left because I am not enough, say, their choice is about them, I remain whole and complete. Instead of, I will never feel this way again, say, I have learned how deeply I can love, and I will love again, better, wiser, and stronger. The story you tell yourself will shape your healing. Choose a story of growth. Here is one of the most practical Stoic tools you can use during heartbreak: voluntary discomfort. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. Marcus Aurelius. When you lose something you value, your mind tends to focus obsessively on comfort and soothing. But the Stoic chooses to lean into small discomforts to rebuild strength. Wake up earlier than usual. Take a cold shower. Fast for a few hours longer than normal. Train your body in the gym. Walk alone in nature with no distractions. Why? When you choose discomfort, you remind your mind, I can endure more than I think. I do not need constant ease to thrive. And as you grow this muscle, the emotional pain of heartbreak will begin to feel lighter in comparison. You will walk taller. You will begin to smile at the strength you are building. Now let's apply this mindset to modern dating, where Stoicism is a rare but priceless advantage. Receive without pride, let go without attachment. Marcus Aurelius. Most people approach dating today with attachment to outcomes. Will this be my forever person? What if they ghost me? What if I am rejected again? But the Stoic approaches dating as practice, as the art of living well. You are not entering dating to fill a void. You are entering it to express your wholeness. You do not need validation from another. You are whole now. If someone aligns with your values and enriches your life, welcome them. If they do not, let them go without bitterness. You are not there to win anyone. You are there to live aligned with your deepest values and to share your life freely without clinging to any one outcome. This mindset makes you powerful in dating, calm, magnetic, and free. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius. Heartbreak is a test of your character. Will you allow it to break you? Or will you use it to forge a wiser, calmer, deeper version of yourself? You now hold the keys. Focus on what you can control. Embrace pain without becoming it. Reframe your narrative. Practice voluntary discomfort. Detach from outcomes in modern dating. If you do this, you will not only overcome heartbreak, you will emerge stronger than you have ever been. Here's your challenge. Choose one of these Stoic practices today and begin. Not tomorrow. Today. If this video resonated with you, comment below. I choose strength over suffering. And don't forget to like this. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Auren Mindset, your space for timeless wisdom, modern healing, and emotional resilience in the digital world. Until next time, stay calm, stay intentional, stay blessed.